Welcome, today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to turn off auto-update apps on this device. So for the first, we should go to the Play Store, and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data, that doesn't matter. And now just go here to the right upper corner, or also you can have that here on the left upper corner. Go there and go to the settings. Now just click to the network preferences, and here tap to the auto update apps, and now just switch the over Wi-Fi only to the don't auto update apps and confirm by tap to done. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.